We're gonna go over programming your interface without steering wheel controls. Just a quick note, if you have power windows in your car, you do want to hook those back up during the programming phase. If you don't have steering wheel controls, you will be needing this 3.5 mil female adapter. This has two functions. The first function is for vehicles that don't have steering wheel controls. You'd twist these together. All right, and then you're going to put a little piece of insulation tape on that, or electrical tape. Plug that in to your 3.5, and that's vehicles without steering wheel controls. Now the other function of this piece is some radios do not have a 3.5 adapter. Pioneers, Alpines do, Boss radios do. Some, on the other hand, take 1 or 2 wire systems. So that's steering wheel control A, steering wheel control B, sometimes labeled SWC 1 or 2. And you would connect those to that. But for today's demonstration, we're twisting these together, indicating your vehicle does not have steering wheel controls. And you're going to plug that directly in to the vehicle's interface box that has your 3.5 on it. So on these interfaces, the green box interfaces, you're going to notice they sometimes will come with multiple adapters. So for this particular vehicle, it's for Chryslers, or this particular interface is for Chryslers. And basically you just need to match up your in-vehicle connector with what you see here. So these two are going to come together. All right. There we go. All right, so we plug that in. We're going to turn our vehicle to accessory 2. Now, I don't know if the camera can see it, but inside of here, there's a little green light. All right. To the opposite side, there's a little white button. That's your reset button. So we're going to press that. Press and hold that reset button for 2 seconds, and you'll see this light turns red. It starts to flash. Now what this is doing is identifying the type of vehicle that it's in. So we need to let this run through its programming cycle. All right, and once that light turns green, go ahead and shut this off. Your radio should shut off with it, and like that, you're done.